Are automatic bus washing machines really more effective than manual washings? Is an automatic bus washing machines really more effective than manual washes? This is not a theoretical question, but the very practical one that Go&Go receive from bus station owner, bus company owner, or those who directly operating bus washing service. Every day, at your bus station or bus company, dozens to hundreds of buses ranging from 29 to 82 seats come and go. These buses travel long distance continuously, traversing various terrains, accumulating dirt and mud, and getting dirty every quickly in the rain. Buses differ from cars in that you can tell if they are clean or dirty just by looking at them from a distance. Passengers board the bus without needing any prompting. They sense it themselves. Go&Go always make it clear to you that manual bus washing is not just wrong. It is still suitable if you only want a few bus each day. But as the number of vehicles increases, manual washings begin to reveal costs and risks that you initially overlook. A proper wash for a passenger's vehicle typically requires 2 to 3 people and take about 30 to 40 minutes. If you wash 20 or 30 vehicles a day, the number of workers needed will increase rapidly. But the cost is not just about weight, it is about managing the workforce. New employees don't work thoroughly, while experienced workers get tired easily and tend to do a sloppy job. Some people quit after a while, forcing you to recruit some crash. Rain or bad weather immediately lead to a shortage of workers, while the vehicle becomes dirtier and harder to wash. Therefore, the quality of the car wash is inconsistent. Some day clean, some not, depending entirely on the person washing a day. With passenger vehicle, the inconsistency is very dangerous, as its vehicle represents the image bus company. Many people only see the immediately cost manual washing without realizing that profits are being endured daily by labor, time, and operational instability. When looking at the Go&Go automatic bus washing machine, the core difference is not how modern the machine is, but that it completely changed the way you operate your wash service. Vehicle drive into the Go&Go automatic bus wash station. The system automatically identifies the vehicle size. The specialized brush and high-pressure spray nozzle operate according to a pre-programmed process. Its vehicle is washed to the same standard, regardless of the operator. The entire process takes only about 5 minutes per vehicle. The machine doesn't get tired. It's not lazy. It's not affected by the weather, and can operate continuously for many hours, even at night. At this point, the role of the workers is only to guide the vehicle to the car rest position and clean the windshield to avoid obstructing the rear mirror. From requiring many people like manual washings, now only 1 or 2 people are needed for the system to operate stably. Many people ask Go&Go whether the automatic passenger car wash is clean. The answer is yes, but more importantly, it is consistently clean. Manual washings might be very clean for a few minutes, but the automatic passenger car wash provides consistency day after day. For bus companies, that consistency is extremely important because passengers don't remember which bus was the cleanest. They only remember if the bus was clean last time and dirty this time. Return to the initial question that many people are considering: is the automatic passenger car wash really more effective than manual washing? Based on the Go&Go practical experience in implementing this for many bus stations and bus companies, the answer is yes. If you have a stable volume of vehicles entering and exiting and are committed to doing it properly and long term, the automatic passenger car wash not only helps wash vehicle faster, but more importantly, helps you control the quality of washing every day. When vehicles are consistently clean, the image of bus company in the eye of the passenger becomes more professional and trustworthy. However, Go&Go also want to make it clear that it's not the solution for everyone. If you only wash a few vehicles a day, or space is unsuitable, manual washings might still a reasonable option. But you are managing a bus station, bus depot, or train for long with regular vehicle traffic and are facing significant pressure on manpower, cost, and operating time, then an automatic bus washing machine is a very worldwide option to consider. But by reducing your dependence on human resources and weather conditions, operation will be much smoother and more proactive. If you are still unsure whether this model is suitable for you or want to calculate its effectiveness based on the actual number of vehicles per day, you can contact Go&Go directly for detailed advice. The Go&Go team will work with you to analyze the location, traffic flow, and business goals to develop the most suitable plan. See you in the next video.